We're Casamara, and over the last 3 years, with the help of our Kickstarter backers, we've brought to life some uniquely awesome bathroom products. This is our best one yet. Meet the Casamara Towel, a breathable, perfectly weighted, and soft as hell bath towel. It's as absorbent as a brand new dish sponge and feels consistently bone dry every AM. No one said it had to be one or the other. Unlike other lightweight towels, this one is woven at 450 grams per square meter of lushness, so it never feels paper thin or scratchy. Engineered with both you and the environment in mind, we opted to eliminate 100% of all plastics and harmful chemicals from our packaging. Instead, your towel will arrive in a self bag that's washable, travel-friendly, and completely reusable. The borders are minimal to give you the maximum surface area for drying. We also tossed out the hand towels and washcloths, and instead created the hybrid towel, a cross between the two towels that works for both and does so much more. Loomed with an oversized weave in one of the oldest factories in Egypt. This is the kind of quality you get when 100 years of towel-making experience is put behind one product. We're ready for production. We just need your help to bring the Casamara towel to life. Thank you.